Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Popular car stickers in the Philippines. Number 1. Logos of luxury car brand. As usual, Filipinos tend to decorate their cars with logos of famous and luxury car brands such as the classic brands known as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Ferrari, and Volvo. Unfortunately, not all these stickers are readily available for the Filipino market. Number 2. Take the Pinoy pride. Some of the Filipino car owners take the Filipino pride in a different level and want to express their nationalism and their love for the country, usually pick the Filipino pride stickers. This type of sticker has various choices in which there is a perfect combination of 3 colors: red, blue and yellow. This is usually designed in order to align with the Philippine symbols. Number 3. Family theme. As we all know, Filipinos are known for their hospitality and their immense love for their families and consider it as a great pride. Don't get surprised when you notice numerous cars in the Philippines have white stickers on the rear window, showing all family members and their names. Sometimes it even includes extended relatives and maybe their pets. Number 4. Narcissist on board. This sticker is inspired by a fascination of the outer beauty of people. The study shows that 48% of Filipino men are narcissistic and claim that they are sexy or guapo. You can find other versions of this funny concept such as baby on board or sexy on board and a lot more. Just know how creative the Filipinos are to create such stickers. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.